Hello everyone, I'm Brenda Murray and I'm super excited to tell you about my new weekly sketching tutorials called Feed Your Creative Soul. We're going to have a lot of fun sketching together, learning some new skills, and doing something just for ourselves, something that brings us joy. Every week, participants will receive a link to the tutorials in an email. Some weeks, the tutorials might only take 20 minutes. Other weeks, we're going to tackle more complex subjects and it could take us an hour and a half to complete our tutorial. But you can stop, pause, and rewatch the tutorials as often as you like. We're going to learn about composition, about editing things out of our sketch that we don't really need. We're going to learn about 1-point perspective, 2-point perspective, 3-point perspective, curvilinear perspective, how to draw ellipses. We're going to learn about playing with fonts and adding fonts to our sketches and notations that are complementary to our sketch. We're going to learn about adding figures to our sketch and about how to break all the rules and make our sketches more funky. When I'm sketching, I feel peaceful. I feel content because I'm feeding my creative soul. And when I've completed a particularly difficult sketch, I feel this great sense of accomplishment. And I want you to feel that way too. Feed Your Creative Soul is all about taking time out for ourselves to do something that brings us joy because we deserve it. To find out more about how you can join Feed Your Creative Soul, click on the link below. Happy sketching, everyone.